Okay guys, it's been cleared or something before, so I got a fresh razor blade, lightly scraping this old crap off. See it? Okay, I don't know what's going on here. I don't know if that's clear or that's tar or goop or something. So let me clean it up with a razor blade and then decide. See, there's some crap on here too. Let me clean that up. We'll decide whether we're going to buff it or aftermarket, I think. Vision. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I got all the loose stuff off. Got some water and got some 600 grit sandpaper. And what we're going to do is just sand the rest of that old crap off. Okay, so let me do that. I'm going to do it on all four. I'll be back. Okay guys, I got it all sanded down. I'm just going to clear it. I'm not going to bother dicking around with buffing. So I'm just going to mask them off and clear it. Be using the same clear as used on the Nomad. In fact, I got to move the Nomad out of the way so I don't get no overspray on it. Okay guys, I mixed up a little bit of clear. Quite the difference, huh? Oh, I meant to put some Bulldog adhesive promoter on there. That's alright. I sanded it real good. Okay, I didn't mix up very much. I probably got enough for like 4 or 5 coats. So let me put them on there and I'll be back. Okay guys, there it is. Make it a little bit easier and faster than buffing. Yeah, if you don't have a paint gun and want to buy clear for it, you can buy the little spray cans of clear, you know, like touch-up paint, and put on a few coats. But yeah, it looks pretty good. They are aftermarket. I think it said TYC. So anyway, that's that little job done.